Experts, analysts, interested businessmen say where it is profitable to invest money in 2023. Of course, I also do not avoid this topic. After watching the video, you will understand that it is not at all necessary to be a millionaire in order to increase passive income. You can, and should, start with smaller amounts. For those who are looking for options where to invest now, the presented tools will become very popular and in demand. Among their main priorities in comparison with others, I will highlight the following. 1. Investments on the BuyBit platform. On the BuyBit platform, all types of popular investments are available. This also includes cryptocurrency trading and crypto deposits, as well as trading bots. And with the promo code in the video description, you can get your first $1,000 for investment for free. 2. Shares. Securities of foreign companies make it possible to receive dividend payments. But most often they buy shares in order to later sell them through a broker at a higher rate, making a profit. 3. Internet projects, blogs, online stores. This is one of the most interesting and promising options where it is better to invest money in 2023 in order to receive money steadily. And earlier the direction was very popular, but due to the pandemic and quarantine restrictions, it is the online format that will flourish. In general, investments are similar to investments in a business. You support the development of a particular product, you receive payments in the form of dividends. In the future, you can sell your share on more favorable terms. 4. Venture funds. According to experts, this year we can expect exits of funds that work and are aimed at improving work processes, including, remotely, optimization of traditional offline business. The average profit starts from 7% per year, but can be several times more. But the start from $25,000 bites. 5. Investing in real estate. An excellent option that allows you to acquire your own square meters, or in the future to rent an apartment, office, shop. This direction does not lose popularity even in times of crisis, although, of course, it has risks, especially if you invest in small amounts during the construction phase. 6. Own business. Such investments are always risky, but how nice it is to invest in yourself, your progress, and see how the scale of orders is increasing day by day, and the average check is growing. What exactly will be the size of the dollar contribution and its payback period will be shown by time. The only thing I can suggest is which directions will not lose popularity and can bring a solid income this year. Delivery service. Food delivery with an emphasis on a full menu. Sale of disinfectants and hygiene products. 7. Exchange traded fund, ETF, shares. The method is in demand among investors due to the fact that it allows, by investing small amounts, to become a co-shareholder of various companies, including giants. For readers who are still thinking about where to invest money, starting at an average of $100 minus $150 to receive a monthly income, this option will come in handy. And, of course, you need to choose a reliable intermediary, study which funds work for a long time and pay consistently. At the moment, gold is falling in price, silver is getting more expensive, but if you look at the dynamics for the entire period when valuable metals are traded on the market, we always have an exceptionally positive indicator. If you do not want to buy for the purpose of further sale, you can store bullion in banks in deposit boxes and even open a deposit in metals. Summing up, there are several investment options on the market to receive monthly profits: a bank deposit, the purchase of shares and bonds, real estate, mutual funds, investments in MFIs, trust management. When choosing a method, it is important to pay attention to the level of risk, the amount of available capital, as well as your own goals. If you want to start investing, we recommend starting with the BuyBit platform, link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you soon.